こんにちは。今日は日本語 Verb Conjugation for Beginners です。You're going to hear 5 forms of each verb, but please don't worry. I'm not going into details what they are at this stage. As long as you could get sort of pattern how they change their endings, that would be great. Okay, let's have a look. To go 行かない、行きます、行く、行け、行こう。Can you see the K line sound on the hiragana chart? In order. か、き、く、け、こ。To speak or talk. 話さない、話します、話す、話せ、話そう。さしすせそ。To wait. 待たない、待ちます、待つ、待て、待とう、立ちつてと。The verb to die is not a good example to show, but there are not many common verbs, including the sound end line, 何ぬねの, so I use it here. To die, 死なない、死にます、死ぬ、死ね、死のう、なにぬねの。To live 住まない、住みます、住む、住め、住もう、まみむめも。To ride 乗らない、乗ります、乗る、乗れ、乗ろう、らりるれろ。To meet 会わない、会います、会う、会え、会おう、わいうえお。It is not あいうえお、but わいうえお。Next verbs are classified as regular to verbs or lu verbs, depending on textbooks. They change the endings differently from the previous verbs, and they don't have same changes based on hiragana chart. Okay, let's have a look. To eat 食べない、食べます、食べる、食べろ、食べよう。To watch the same regular to verb. 見ない、見ます、見る、見ろ、見よう。Next two verbs are irregular verbs, so simply you need to remember how they change. しない、します、する、しろ、しよう。To come, this is a irregular verb too. 来ない、来ます、来る、来い、来よう。Let's go through the verbs a little bit quickly. Ready, set, go. 行かない、行きます、行く、行け、行こう。話さない、話します、話す、話せ、話そう。待たない、待ちます、待つ、待て、待とう。死なない、死にます、死ぬ、死ね、死のう。住まない、住みます、住む、住め、住もう。乗らない、乗ります、乗る、乗れ、乗ろう。会わない、会います、会う、会え、会おう。食べない、食べます、食べる、食べろ、食べよう。見ない、見ます、見る、見ろ、見よう。しない、します、する、しろ、しよう。来ない、来ます、来る、来い、来よう。Please have a go at it after me. Let's have a go. 行かない、行きます、行く、行け、行こう。話さない、話します、話す、話せ、話そう。待たない、待ちます、待つ、待て、待とう。 死なない、死にます、死ぬ、死ね、死のう。住まない、住みます、住む、住め、住もう。乗らない、乗ります、乗る、乗れ、乗ろう。会わない、会います、会う、会え、会おう。食べない、食べます、食べる、食べろ、食べよう。見ない、見ます、見る、見ろ、見よう。しない、します、する、しろ、しよう。来ない、来ます、来る、来い、来よう。Now, you might be interested in how these forms are actually used or what they mean. So let's have a look in details a bit. Please imagine that you're using these phrases to someone. Nai form of the verb to go is ikanai, which is a negative form. So that means I don't go or I'm not going. Next one is must form, and the must form of the verb to go is ikimasu, which means I go or I will go. Must form sounds polite, so it can be used in a formal situation such as at workplace. Must form is not used to your close friends because it sounds too formal. Dictionary form is a form of verbs listed in a dictionary. That's why it is called dictionary form. And it is a plain form. So it is used to your close people in your daily life, meaning I go or I will go. Imperative form makes a strong order and used by a higher ranked person to the lower one. And this form sounds quite aggressive. The imperative form of to go is ike, and it sounds like go. The last form here is called volitional form, which is used to express desire to do something. The volitional form of to go is iko, which means let's go. What I have just explained is a brief one, and these forms can be used in various contexts to mean something else. So you can build up different sentence patterns easily once you know these forms. Here is one scene from the anime Crayon Shin-chan. Can you hear the dictionary form of the verb to go, 行く, in it? I hope you can.
しんのすけのいない世界に未練なんてあるか？ミサイが嫌だったら俺一人でも行く。
分かったわよ。私も行くわよ。しんのすけに会えるんなら。
Could you hear 行く twice? I hope you could. またね